Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil level on your Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Maintaining proper oil levels is crucial for engine health and longevity. Before you begin, make sure your Stelvio is parked on a completely flat surface. You will also want to have a clean, lint-free cloth or paper towel handy. First, ensure your engine is at its normal operating temperature. A short drive of about 10 minutes should achieve this. Once your engine is warm, turn it off and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the engine oil to drain back into the oil pan, ensuring a precise measurement. Next, turn your vehicle's ignition on, but do not start the engine. Now, direct your attention to the center console. You will use the control knob, typically found near the gear shift, to navigate the display. With the ignition on, rotate the control knob to highlight the car menu option on your digital display. Press the knob to confirm this selection. From there, you will see various options. Choose car status and press the knob again. Finally, scroll to and select oil level. The display will then show your current engine oil level, often represented by a bar graph or specific markings. Your Stelvio's display will show the oil level, typically with a white bar indicating the current amount between minimum and maximum indicators. An optimal reading is close to the maximum line, but any level within the marked range is considered safe. If the level is at or below the minimum, you will need to add the correct type of engine oil. Add small amounts, about 1/4 of a quart at a time, and recheck the level after a few minutes to avoid overfilling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.